Hello guys, so if today is the first time of coming to this channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and for my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. Please keep watching. Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be making a healthy drink which is popularly known as Zobo drink. So here you can see all the ingredients I'll be using to make this whole Zobo drink. Here I have my hibiscus flower. I've already washed it and selected the things that are not meant to be here. I've already cleaned my hibiscus flower. Then the next thing I have is my cloves. You all know what this cloves is all about. It is healthy. Then I have my ginger. Here I have my orange. I'll be using orange for this Zobo juice. If you have pineapple, watermelon, you can use any fruit of your choice, but I like making use of orange juice in my Zobo drink. Here I have some spice I'll be using for the Zobo. Then here I have my clean drinking water I'll be using to make this Zobo drink. Yeah, I noticed that this knife is not sharp enough. It was giving me tough time to cut this orange. I had to get another knife immediately. I'm slicing my ginger into the pot. I like to slice my ginger because it brings out the real taste of ginger. I know you want to pound your own. Here I am slicing it. You can use any method you want to do yours. So we are going to allow this to boil for 30 to 35 minutes. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video to this point. This drink is a healthy drink. Make sure you try this recipe and tell me if you don't like it. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.